In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Fidelity password. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to enter, and how to create a strong, secure password without any confusion. Start by opening the Fidelity app or going to the official website and heading to the login screen. You don't need to sign in here, just make sure you're on the real site or the official app to keep your information safe. Look for the option that says Forgot Password. It usually appears right beneath the username and password fields on the website or near the sign-in button in the app. Go ahead and select that. Next, you'll be asked to enter identifying details. This could be your username, your account number, or the email address linked to your account. Choose whichever you have handy and type it in carefully. Take a moment to double check what you enter. Small typos can slow things down, and usernames are sometimes case sensitive. After you submit those details, it's time to verify your identity with a one-time passcode. You'll be given the option to receive this code via email or text message. Pick the method you can access right away. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. If it doesn't show up within a minute or two, refresh your inbox. Check your spam or junk folder and make sure your phone has a good signal if you chose SMS. Codes typically expire quickly, so if time runs out, just request a new one and try again. Once your identity is confirmed, you can create a new password. Follow the security requirements listed on the screen. A strong password is usually at least 8 to 12 characters and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easy-to-guess details like birthdays or simple sequences. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and store a unique password so you won't have to remember it. Now, confirm and save your new password by entering it a second time exactly the same way. Submit your changes and wait for the confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated. If you use a browser or device that remembers passwords, update the saved credentials so you don't get locked out later. And that's it, your password has been successfully reset. To recap, go to the login screen, choose Forgot Password, enter your details, verify with the one-time passcode, create a strong new password following the requirements, and confirm to save it. You're all set and secure.